Life and Lifestyle, back again with another market recap for today, September the 15th, round 37, or 7 of the new 30. Today's market was a continuation of yesterday's market, which is just slow and chop city. I barely did anything today because the trades I was looking at didn't really activate. The market tanked earlier in the day. Excuse me. So I was looking for a lot of puts up front, but as I was deciding which put to pick, the market decided to reverse. So one of the main trades I was watching the whole time was the main one I got into. That was my best trade of the day and best trade of the week as well. I should have taken a larger size with that trade. That would have been a way bigger win. But anyway, to learn from who I learned from, get the stock market playlist, 30 resources for $30. Get the merch. I got hoodies, tank tops, t-shirts. Follow me on IG and Twitter. Haven't posted up there in a while, but I ain't really posted much on my other social medias because the market ain't really done nothing for me. There's nothing much for me to talk about, so. All right. Trade number one, UAL, United Airlines. Remember from my watch list from yesterday, all the airlines were on the watch list. All the airlines popped up. Spirit, which is Save. United, which is UAL. Delta, DAL. JetBlue, JBLU. LUV, which is Southwest. Only one that didn't pop up was American Airlines and Jets, which is the airline ETF. Anyway, I got into the United Airlines put right here. The put triggered at 43.57. I got in a little beneath that right there. Let me go to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, I got in around here, I think. And as you see, it didn't really do much. It reversed, came back and cut me out. So this was an 18% loss from 38 to 31. I think I just got a bad price. If I would have got this for like 35, 34, it would have been a better price. So that's on me. I should have picked a better price to get into it. But even though I might have only got, maybe 5 or 10 bucks down here, which is still a good win. So if I would have picked a better price, I could have got a better feel and made more. Trade number two, FCX, Freeport McMoran Incorporated. I timed this one damn near perfectly. I got into the call right around here, right after it broke the entry point, and I rolled that motherfucker all the way up. I rolled it up to here, and I got out right here for 51% from 33 to 50. I got an auto sell in my mind at 50%, so I got out at 50%, which was a good timing because I got out right before the market tanked a bit and set it up for that now. Granted, had I been a little more aggressive, I might have been able to reload and get it for maybe 35, 40 bucks and then ride it back up again. Because up here, I think it was like 53, 54. So I got 50%. Then if I would have been paying more attention, I could have reloaded and got another 30%. And we'll see what it does tomorrow. But I definitely should have took that trade the larger size. I should have took about 3 contracts. But I'm playing it safe right now to, get my bearings back together and slowly build my account. Because as long as I play small, my wins equal more to my losses. So if I lose 10% on this, I just lose, $3. Whereas if I make 50%, I make 17 bucks. Whereas on the larger one, since I tend to lose more times than win because my stop loss is so tight, I'd lose 10 bucks. But then when I win, I'd win 50 bucks. So You know, you just got to balance it out. It's just, I'm just playing it safe right now, one at a time. Maybe when it comes to um, which, maybe if it comes to, if there's only a few trades that are looking like they're going to do something, maybe I should just go heavy in the one that looks good. Because FCX was the only one that was looking positive. Everything else was a put. So I should have maybe went heavier on this just because it was the only trade I was looking at. And I'm like, well, if I'm going to take trade, I'll just take this one trade and call it a day. So I was done about like 11 o'clock. Real quick, fast. So that covers that. No other trades for the day. Watch list for tomorrow. Bank of America again. Wells Fargo. Verizon. SLV, which is silver. XLL, which is the bank's ETF, Citigroup, CVX, which is Chevron, Gevo, GDXJ, I don't know what it is, Deutsche Bank, and NRZ from yesterday. I just still got up here. I was looking to play NRZ to the downside, but it reversed to the upside, so we'll see what that does tomorrow as well. So I only really have 10 trades I'm looking at tomorrow. NRZ doesn't count as my watch list. So of those 10, we have 5 banks. 5 banks, silver, oil, and Verizon. And that covers it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.